If you have error code E1 or E3 on your Whirlpool 70 Pint Dehumidifier WDH70EAPW, it means you have faulty humidity sensor. In this video we will demonstrate how to change the humidity sensor on Whirlpool Dehumidifier. While error code for faulty sensor would not be the same on different makes and models, the general procedure of replacing humidity sensor on dehumidifiers would be very similar. To replace the sensor on this model, you will need replacement sensor, Phillips head screwdriver, cutting pliers, and optionally one small zip tie. You can get humidity sensor replacement for this model and also for other brands from qxparts.com. First of all, make sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the bucket, air filter and drain nut. You don't have to remove the rubber plug, you can leave it there. Remove 7 screws from the back of your unit. Keep in mind, the button 2 screws are longer than others, so you may want to mark them or put on the side. Remove back cover. Remove 3 screws from the side of the dehumidifier. Top 2 screws are flathead and smaller than others. You may want to mark them or put on the side. Same thing needs to be done on the other side of dehumidifier. Remove 2 screws in front of dehumidifier. Remove front cover as it's showing on video. Sensor connector is plugged in control board. We will need to open it shortly. And sensor itself located under top control panel assembly. Remove 2 screws from the top which holds control panel assembly and place the assembly on the side. Remove 1 screw which holds control board cover and place the cover on the side. Follow the wire from the sensor and locate the connector on the control board. Cut the zip tie which holds wires together inside of control board and unplug connector of humidity sensor. Remove wire of humidity sensor out of control board. Remove small screw holding the humidity sensor and remove the sensor itself. Now, we will place everything back together in opposite way. We will need humidity sensor replacement. You can get humidity sensor replacement for this model and also for other brands from qxparts.com. Place the sensor to its spot and put the small screw back in. Plug in sensor connector to the control board. Secure all wires together and place them in designated plastic hook on the side of the unit. If you have new zip tie, secure cables together in control board. Close control board with a cover and put 1 screw back in. Secure top control panel assembly with 2 screws. We do not recommend plugging in the dehumidifier into power outlet while all covers not back in place yet. However, if you decide to check at this step if the problem with humidity sensor is resolved, keep in mind that your unit will not turn on without bucket being in place. Place front cover back on its spot and secure it with 2 screws. Put 3 screws back in on both sides of the dehumidifier. Keep in mind that top 2 screws are flathead and smaller than others. Place back cover and put screws back in. The button 2 screws are longer than others. Place drain nut, air filter and the bucket back in. The repair now completed and your dehumidifier should be ready for use.